So in this video on getting our Panda Warmers all set up, I'm going to show you how to hook up these here. This is so that we can use wall, medical air, and oxygen if we need to in order to provide the right amount of breaths and oxygen percentage for our kids. Now, we do need these to hook up to the wall. Hang on while I get them untangled. And we can find those hookups over here. So the yellow is going to hook up to the yellow. The green is going to hook up to the green. You may have to take one of the oxygen trees off of the wall in order to plug this in, but it can be done. This is really easy to do. You push it in and you twist. It's going to squeal at you until it's in and it's sealed all the way, and you probably will need both the oxygen and the medical air on for it to stop squealing. And now this Panda Warmer is hooked up and we can start to use it. If you, for some reason, didn't have access to the wall suction, or to the wall air or oxygen, you can still resuscitate this baby. We have our tanks on the back here. Now I'm going to disconnect these again real quick, and I'll show you how to turn those on, because many times people don't realize how to do that part. Okay, this little black thing here is your key for your tanks. You do need this to be able to open your oxygen tank and your medical air tank. So you're just going to twist it until it's open. Right now it's closed, and we're going to go around this way. You want to make sure it's all the way open. You're going to hear your machine make lots of noises while you do it. That's okay. Just means you're doing what you're supposed to do. And the medical air. The purpose of the medical air, in addition to the oxygen, is so that way you can give your baby the appropriate concentration of oxygen and whatnot during resuscitation, as guided by the NRP stuff. And it can be a little tricky, so. And now we can go back around the front and we can see that it's on. We would flip this switch up and this switch up. We're going to assess here. This means that we have oxygen in our tank. If this needle drops to 1,000, that means that the oxygen tank would need to be changed. And our medical air tank is around 1,000, so that one could probably benefit from being changed as well. And it'll tell you the difference between medical air and oxygen. I'll show you how to use this better here in just a second.